The Burmese python, undoubtedly one of the most adored snake species among brave enthusiasts of exotic pets worldwide. So let's delve into what sets these serpents apart. First and foremost, Burmese pythons can reach impressive length of up to 6 feet and weigh around 200 pounds. They are not your run-of-the-mill household companions. However, the longest Burmese python ever captured measured a staggering 18 feet. It's not just their length that astounds, but also their girth, equivalent to that of a telephone pole. Imagine attempting to encircle it with your arms. Their substantial bird serves them well during mealtime as they capture their prey by coiling around them, fracturing nearly every bone and eventually suffocating them. It's an incredibly primal display. Naturally found in Southeast Asia's marshes, Burmese python have become an invasive species in the Florida Everglades. With a significant number of Burmese python owners residing in Florida, many of these snakes have escaped their owner's home and now roam the Floridian swamps, preying on any critters that can find, if only snakes have hands. Unfortunately, they are causing the decline of various small mammals and reptile species throughout the state. Around 900 Burmese pythons have been removed from Florida's marshes and forests to date by the dedicated Python Action Team of the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. However, the Burmese python population remains vulnerable. These pythons are hunted for their skin and ever consumed as food. Furthermore, habitat loss plays a significant role in their declining numbers. It serves as a stark reminder that even the largest, strongest, and most formidable creatures in the animal kingdom are no match for human interference. For those old enough, you may recall witnessing Britney Spears' performance at the MTV VMAs where she sported an albino Burmese python wrapped around her neck.